Hello students, as we have learned in our previous video how to draw sofa in 1 point perspective, now let's understand how to draw it in 2 point perspective. Let's start with drawing an eye level on the 1/3 of the page. In 2 point perspective, draw two vanishing points on the eye level. In the left corner vanishing point 1 and in the right corner vanishing point 2. In 2 point perspective, we draw a view from the corner of the room. So let's start with the height of the room, which is 10 feet height. On A4 size paper, the height of the wall, you can take approximately 8 centimeter. Draw diagonal lines from vanishing point 1 and vanishing point 2 from the top and the bottom point of a wall height. Now erase the internal lines. Now you can see two walls, ceiling and flooring is visible. Mark at the 8 feet height to draw a door on the right wall. In 2 point perspective, height is a vertical line. Length and the width will merge in point 1 and point 2. Erase the extra lines. As we discussed in the last video, the furniture we kept in the room will always remain along with the wall. So now let's start drawing a base of the sofa along with the wall. Backrest of the sofa's height is 3.5 feet. Now exactly half of the height of backrest, let's draw a line which vanishes in point 1. Now join the base of the sofa vertical line. Let's draw a diagonal line. Similarly, let's draw on another side. Erase the extra lines and the guidelines. You can see the sofa seat is done. Now let's start with drawing an handrest. Let's draw a diagonal line from the half part of a backrest of the sofa. Similarly, you can join with the vertical line, base of the sofa. Let's draw her height and join that point with the seat part. Now let's give a depth to it. Similarly, draw another side. Now you can see the two handrests are ready. And now let's erase all the guidelines. Now let's add a cushioning to the backrest. Crest 3 dimension. Let's draw a width from vanishing point 1, a length of a backrest. And height which joins the handrest. You can erase the inside lines and the sofa is made. This way you can draw step by step sofa anywhere in the room. Now let's draw some flooring line from vanishing point 1 and 2. Video, we will be learning how to draw sofa in 3-point perspective.